Carlos and Susie met at a Calwa barber shop more than 20 years ago. They opened a nail salon and barber shop next to each other. Now, it's a family affair. Tanya cuts hair one chair away from her brother and next door to her mom's salon. But instead of ombres and extensions, she's taking a little off the top.
Get with the time, it's 2018. Girls can cut hair too, you know what I mean? And we can do the fades with the razor, like literally my license says barber.
Yeah, you know, my sister, she does go the extra mile than other female barbers that I see.
She didn't think she was going to be a barber, but clearly she's cut out for it.
When I was taking my very first final in college, I took my state board test also, so it was on the same week and I was super stressing out.
Now Tanya takes that same energy with her to Fresno State.
I think about being a teacher and then on the summer being a barber.
Tanya wants to teach children
Alrighty.
with special needs after her 7-year-old autistic client
You guys ready?
inspired her.
Peppa Pig works for you, and a lollipop works for him, and a juice box works for him. And there's other kids that like to be engaged in a whole conversation. What's your favorite color? And they're just thinking about it. So I'm distracting them so that they could think about whatever they want to think about, so I could just get the haircut in and out.
Tanya has patience, a trait she learned from her father, Carlos. But on her 18th birthday, Tanya's parents gave her a surprise she wasn't expecting.
Carlos isn't your dad, actually.
Tanya decided to embrace life and help others.
But that is patience that my dad taught me, and that's what's going to help me be successful with special needs or children with special education, because I am equipped with that now, and it is because of my dad.
As much as she wants to teach, she still wants to cut hair. One day soon, Tanya will hang up the shears and pick up the roll sheet. But the barber shop will always be a part of her. For CSU Summer Arts in Fresno, this is Gabrielle Rivas.
Oh, thank you.
With photojournalists Francina, Sanchez, and Kassandra Gutierrez.